Namaskar, Highway Kings. Thank you, Tushar. This is quite an historic moment for us. We are doing our first live webcast. It is truly incredible how Tushar managed to put this thing together in the last 15 to 20 days. It was a dream that we should live telecast our events. So many of our people, so many of our friends never managed to come. So this was an incredibly innovative suggestion which came from Tushar, and I think he has been able to put this together in very quick time. Thank you again, Tushar. Let me get on to the business. I'm sure all of you have registered, all of you who are coming have registered, and you have paid the monies. Let me assure you that all your rooms are allocated. There will be no further confirmation from our side. Abhijit Shinde has been working the midnight oil to get your rooms in order. We are looking like almost 200 highway kings are going to be coming, maybe 70 cars or more, and a lot of bikes too. Uh, the hotel is going to be in two different places this time, but most of us, over 150 of us, will be in one resort, and probably around 30 to 50 people will go to another resort. The details of this will be given to you the day before you arrive. We have already got a WhatsApp group and a All India Meet page in place. Anup Abraham is the official spokesperson, and I'm sure you have been seeing some messages from him. He has painstakingly developed a FAQ which tries to answer all the queries and all the issues you may have. I hope you do read it. It is very comprehensive, and if there are any further queries, you may escalate it to one of us. It is uh, something which you must read before you come. There is already, as I said, an All India Meet page, which is been the invitation has been sent to all those who are coming, and I hope you are seeing the updates in that page. Anup has also started the WhatsApp group, special WhatsApp group for the All India Meet. Uh, I believe all of you have been added there. In case you haven't, please do escalate it to Anup or in the AM page. Please watch this space carefully. It will give you all the information which you need to know about where you should come on the 26th, what will happen on the 26th, 27th, and what are the things which we all will do together as a community. Please do see it in detail. Uh, I wish to emphasize a couple of things. I don't like to be like a headmaster, but I think we must emphasize the fact that we must drive safely throughout the trip. And driving safely means a lot of things. It is not only about being a good driver, but also taking into consideration that the circuit is a rural circuit. People in rural areas may not be as savvy as you are in traffic sense, so we must be extra careful. We must also follow the safe driving habits which we do in normal life here, and that means we must be very careful about things like drinking and driving. I think that has been our motto all along, that we drive very safe and we discourage anybody from drinking and driving. uh, the event chart has been placed in the All India Meet page. It will also be published again in the WhatsApp group. Uh, Please do look at it to understand what we will do. Uh, this meet has got record number of people coming, and I'm happy to say that most of the people are coming with their families, and a lot of children, and we are also organizing a lot of things for the children too. The resort itself is an excellent place in the middle of the fields and on the bank of the river Godavari. I'm sure you will enjoy the resort and the food, which will be totally local and ethnic. Those of you who have ordered calendars, t-shirts, and other HVK store items, uh, may collect it at the venue, but please do make sure that you have already placed the order and paid for it. We have difficulties in doing cash sales, and you must remember that all the things are being brought from outside, so it will be very difficult for us to warehouse things beyond a point at Konesima. In case you have any routing issues, a lot of our friends have already contacted me for routing plans and also for accommodation in Hyderabad en route. If you have any further queries, please do escalate it either in the AIM page or to me personally. I'm very happy to say, as usual, we have a fantastic organization team behind all this. And there are too many people for me to name personally. But I'm sure you are already interacting with people like Abhijit Shinde, or Rajneesh Nair, or Anup Abraham, or Gautam Basak. So I don't want to go more than that, or Mr. Srikant, for example. One special word of thanks to Dr. Rakesh Raju, who's based in Konesima, who has been the inspiration behind the drive circuit and all the arrangements we are making. I have nothing further to say. You must, all of you who are coming, we meet again in Konesima. All those who are not coming, we will be with you as always. You will have a chance to see us webcast live. Hopefully, Tushar has got all the pieces together properly. Hopefully, we'll be able to get a good connectivity on location, and yeah, we should see everything. In case you missed any of the live telecasts, be sure to watch the archived files, which will also be available. With this, I must thank all of you for your patient listening, and we meet again in Konesima. Thank you, Highway Kings. Please wait for Tushar to make his final words of wisdom. Thank you.